Welcome everyone for today's event from Pioneer Educator. My name is Deb Johnson. I will be the conference operator for today's event on offshore financial assets. The IRS Offshore Voluntary Disclosure Program ends September 28, 2018. I would like your speaker for today, Mr. Daniel J. Pilla. Daniel J. Pilla is a tax litigation consultant licensed to practice in U.S. tax code as well as the enrolled agent. Dan is an author for 14 books, dozens of research reports, and hundreds of articles. Dan's work is regularly featured on radio and television as well as in major newspapers. Now I'd like to call Mr. Dan for the seminar.
All right, thanks, Deb, for that introduction. I appreciate that. As he said, I am Dan Pilla, author of 14 books on dealing with the Internal Revenue Service. My books focus specifically on IRS problems resolution, taxpayers' rights issues, and IRS abuse prevention and cure. We don't do much tax return preparation around here in my office. We do some remedial return preparation. When folks walk in the door and they have 5 or 6 or 7 missing tax returns, then we can prepare those returns and get that person current. But the vast majority of things that we do with our practice is problems resolution, particularly in the area of unpaid taxes. About 80% of the work that we do deals with collection defense, and so as a result of that, we got exposed to the offshore issues that started surfacing here about 10 years ago or so. 15 years ago, they started to become an issue. And as of 2009, 2010, 2011, right in there, they blew up with the Internal Revenue Service for a lot of reasons. We don't have to go into all the history here, but the fact of the matter is that the offshore issue became a very, very big deal. Starting in approximately 2010 or so. I'm going to scroll through the screen here as we go. You've got your lecture notes in front of you, and hopefully you've downloaded those, and you can take notes right on your paperwork as we go here, because we're going to supplement this material as we go. The problem with the offshore situation, friends, is that U.S. citizens are taxed on their worldwide income. So the simple fact that you happen to have money offshore someplace, whether it's in a Swiss bank account or a Hong Kong business, it just doesn't make any difference. U.S. citizens must report